Welcome to the Curly Express. Take 2. What's on the bench? All kinds of stuff on the bench. So I'm just doing a build series of the engine shell. So that's what I'm going to be working on. Am I too close, far away? Am I way too close? Alright. So I plan on mounting ditch lights. I have ditch lights housing already. I have LED lights already for them. I got my little ditch light housing from Thomas Rassi. So I know everybody's got their own way of doing things. And I'm just going to do it the way I think it needs to be done, you know. So I have to figure out. So I got this piece of stop sign here. And I'm making a template. If you can see that. Alright, so I have to cut that out more for that piece to fit over that. And so give me a second here. Oh, I found some windshields on eBay for these engines. I'm broke right now. I had to buy a new vacuum, unfortunately. But it's a necessary thing you gotta have around the house. I don't like living in dirt. I already live in dirt, but you can only take so much dirt. So I'm cutting this the thing out where it is going to fit over that opening. You can't see it. Sorry. I gotta get it to fit over this area here. Alright. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what I'm trying to do. It's not the best what's on the bench, but it's something. So it's just going to be a build series for this shell. So you're probably wondering, what are you making that template for? Well, this template is going to be used to locate where the housing for the fog lights are gonna go, and the snowplow driving lights. How come I forgot what they're called now? Ditch lights. I forgot. Old age is creeping up. So I have a build series on the mine vehicle, the Buffalo A2. I hope some of you guys watched that for me. I appreciate everybody that has supported me. I have no complaints. I do have a rant built up, but I just keep the rant to myself. Because it doesn't really do any good to complain about it. Alright, so I'm still working on that. Can you even see anything? I don't want to make this very long. I'm just going to give you an idea of what I'm working on. So once I get that hole big enough, where it will fit over that, that's the coupler box area. And then I can figure out where the ditch lights go, and see, it's just like a what's it? What would be the word for that? I guess it's just template. So I figured out where the little hose the hose are going to have to be really tiny for the ditch lights, and then I have to rig it up where the post off the plow will go, and then I'll pre-drill those on the tip plate. So when it's all centered onto the front end of the engine, I could just re-drill everything, or I can mark it with a pencil and then drill it. One or the other, I don't know. I always say that. One or the other. But if I goof up the size of this here, I'm going to have to probably make a new, it's getting really close though. But you guys got the idea what I'm working on, besides trying to figure out that Buffalo A2. And, it's getting really close. It's getting really close to it. So I'm going to just show you. I'm getting really close. Hope that's not too blurry. I think the cameras are over there. So that's what I'm working on. Alright? Trains and coffee. I got the coffee right here. Trains and coffee. Alright. Ding that bell. Thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up. Catch y'all later. Bye.